I love doing everything, going around the world and doing whatever Beyonce wants me to do because I'm her slave. Yes, and I'm Beyonce. I do everything because, I can. My daddy made this group for me, and that's what it's about. It's about me. I just do what I can, and I really make them believe that we're really a family when we're not. I'm the head bitch. I'm going to be the head bitch, and I've always been the head bitch because I'm Beyonce. You see how I'm still talking right now? It's because I'm the leader. Look at me. I'm Beyonce. I sing, I dance, I do it all. I'm perfect. I know you looking at me thinking, why are they in the group? But I had to add somebody, so I just put these two bitches. It really didn't matter because they still gonna follow me because they're followers. But I'm doing my thing. You see how I'm still talking because I'm the leader. I do it all. They listen to me. They follow my lead, and it's because I'm the leader, and that's why I love them. It makes me happy to bitch them around because I'm the boss.